You already know it's your boy Joe, back at it again, man. Follow your kid, man. I'm out here live, doing my thing, like always. In the famous living room, this is where everything goes down. Every time I do a video, this the legit famous living room. People ask me, why the hell do you have two TVs? Alright? Why you got a brand new TV and this old ass TV? Well, to be honest with you guys, this TV's been there for a while, and I've been trying to take it down, but it's so freaking heavy that I need somebody else to help me out with this shit, because it's like literally like 70 pounds. Look how thick that shit is. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. One of these days I'm gonna get it done. I'm just waiting for, one of my boys to come through and pass by and help me out with this thing. But yeah, man, I'm trying to do some new videos tonight, man, for you guys for the weekend. But before that, I actually have a challenge. Dun dun dun. New challenger. Ah. All right, this is a new challenge, guys. Listen, I want you guys to actually, this weekend, I want you guys to actually build a page. I'm not talking about a full website. I'm not talking about a whole bunch of pages. I'm talking about one single landing page, right? I want you guys to go to dribble.com, search landing page, right? And I want you guys to convert one of the landing pages. Doesn't matter, you choose which one you want to do, which one you think looks great and looks beautiful. I want you to actually go and build it. So just pretty much convert it into HTML and CSS, right? You don't have to do jQuery or JavaScript, but if you do, you will get extra points, right? So the challenge is to just create that page, and then on Sunday, I will give a free course to somebody out of the thousands of people who come to my page, to come to my YouTube. You know what I mean? From the thousands and thousands of people that come to my page and my YouTube, I will give you a free course, right? Now, for you guys that are ballers, the ones that don't care about a free course, well, and if you still haven't bought a course yet, go to the description. The best courses that I've taken and actually work for me and I can vouch for, they're on the description. And why are those courses so important? Well, with those courses, when you buy a course, you pretty much help me out to help other people out here on my YouTube channel, to basically give them free stuff. Like right now, I'm stacking up money to pretty much start giving out free laptops, which I said that from the beginning. I said that when I had 50 subscribers. I said, hey guys, if everybody starts supporting me and helping me out, I will start giving out free courses and free laptops. Yeah, you could get a free laptop by yourself. You could get a laptop on your own, whatever, because you're a baller. But, there's people in third world countries who can't afford to get a Mac. They can't get a MacBook Pro. They can't get a regular Windows computer. So that's where somebody like me comes in. You know what I mean? Like, I'm here to help out other people's. This is not about me. This is not about freaking stacking up money. Because I have my own money, which luckily I don't need to come to the internet to, beg. But I really want to help out other people's. Because learning to code actually changed my life. It helped me become a better person. It helped me become independent in the sense of, hey, when I wasn't coding, I was still living with my mom's, like under her. I wasn't helping out paying rent. I wasn't helping out paying anything because I wasn't earning enough. But now, thanks to, web development, like now I got my own crib. I got like my own crib. Like, I don't know about you guys, but I think that's an accomplishment. And then next year, I'm planning on buying another house. And then, like, it's gonna be just all crazy. And all of this stuff came from web development. It didn't come from me talking shit on the internet. It didn't come from me, complaining and say, hey, Why do I have to come from a poor family? Why do I have to be, immigrant in the United States? Whereas I don't come from people with money. I come from the bottom. Why? I didn't come here to complain. What I did, I said, you know what, man? I gotta change my life around. I saw a lot of my friends either getting locked up. I had other ones that freaking were just, ending up in dead-end jobs. I saw other ones having 2, 3 kids, different, baby mothers. And I realized, you know what? That's not what I want to do. I want to be somebody else. I want to be able to be one of those guys that, by the time they're like 30-something, they have the nice car, they have a nice house, they could go anywhere in the world. All of that, I'm getting there. I'm not there yet, but I'm pretty close. And all of them, I'm getting there thanks to web development and coding and programming. And I think for everybody, this is like super helpful. So for this weekend, like I told you guys, that's the challenge. I want you guys to start coding more. I want you guys to start challenging yourself and say, hey, every day I'm going to do something different. I'm not asking you guys to do 30,000 pages. I'm asking 1 page. Go to Dribbble.com, find a design that you like, build it. After you build it, come back to me, leave a comment of basically the URL of either the web page or the JS Fiddle or the CodePen or Plunker or repl.it, wherever the hell you decide to share it. But come back to me and tell me what you guys did this weekend. I want to see it here in this video. I want you guys to leave a comment. This is the challenge, man. Every week I'm going to challenge you guys with something new. And I'm going to give back as much as I can. But remember, guys, the only reason and the only way that I can give more to everybody, I could come in and put in my own $20, $30, which I always do when I buy courses. But the only way that I'm able to give out to more people is when people buy courses. That's the reality of things. This is like the Obama plan right now. This is like the Obamacare plan right now. If nobody puts in and nobody buys no courses, I can only give out a certain amount of courses to people for free or give out free laptops. Just a little bit, because I also have expenses. You know what I mean? But if we all say, hey, these are the courses that work for Joe, and I buy one course, and then when I buy that course, I actually help out somebody else who can't afford it. Because what you gotta understand, these courses are like $10, $15, $20. If you live in the United States, there's no way that you cannot afford $10. Something for $10, there's no way. But when you have somebody in India, freaking China, Latin America, some parts of Europe, when you live in those places, definitely Africa, when you live in those places, you cannot afford $10. $10 is like $200 to somebody over there. So my plan is to help out those people and people here in the US. There's people here that live in Miami who are extremely poor that nobody knows and nobody cares about. But they send me messages like, hey buddy, like, yo, I can't afford a course. Can you help me out? What do? I help them out. I pay it myself because I know how it is to be out here without no money in your pocket. There's people who are privileged that they have everything. Me, I don't have shit. I come from the bottom. Like, and this is not to give y'all like a big story and a big thing, but man, when you come from the bottom, you know how it feels, and you want to help out other people to get out of there. And that's just my plan. So yeah, guys, that's the challenge for this weekend. Do your thing. I want to see what you guys create, and I want to show it off here. You know, on Sunday, once I do my my live show, I will say who's the winner. And guys, if nobody fills it out or creates a page over this weekend, then if only one person sends me one page, then that person is the winner, because nobody else decided to put in the time and just challenge themselves. Okay, just go to Dribbble.com, find, search landing page, create that landing page, and then come back to me. Or even if it's something, let's say you go to the landing page and you say, hey, I'm gonna take this idea of this image, this design that somebody created, and I'm gonna make it my own way. That's fine. But you have to also have the link to the page and the link of the design that motivated you or inspired you, whatever, right? That's the only way that I'm gonna give you a free course. Anyways, man, you already know. It's your boy Joe, back at it again. You gotta have fun in this world, man. Have fun, guys. You already know it's the weekend, man, but put in that work today. Bow.